Today we got a Super Nintendo Mini. So small. But what we have is we have an issue with the USB port here. It's broken. So I picked up a box of some universal ports. Normally you can modify one, make it fit, so I think fixing this for another store. I've never took one of these apart, never done one of these. Oh, yep, see these come off. They came off a little too easy. Probably glue those in so they don't fall off. So I'm thinking this was taken apart before. And we have some small Phillips in there. That's way too big. It's gonna be this one. Yep, it's gonna be this one. Yeah, I'm not even gonna need the drill for this. It was one screw. I've seen that there's some pretty cool mods for this thing. You can mod it with the SD card. So I'm thinking about maybe picking one of these up. I got a Super Nintendo I gotta look at and fix myself. So you want to be careful. We got us a plug here. We'll disconnect this from here. So we can set that to the side. Looks like we got two connectors here. And some more screws. So it looks like 5 screws for the board to come out. I'm gonna wiggle those out. Wiggle that out. Set those cables aside and take these screws out. Looks like all the same screws, so you don't have to worry about messing them up, getting them mismatched. Just lift it out. And set that to the side. And this is basically like a heat sink. So we'll just pull that off. And it's on the R16 CPU. So it looks like this would be the flash memory here. Imagine this be your audio chip. Does seem like a little oddball port. When we get something close enough. not gonna be it. So the ground ones are gonna be in the back. Kind of looks like this almost. So you need the right direction. None of these are seeming like they're it. Yeah, these are all opposite direction. That's an odd wall. That's like a kind of like a board. Yeah, I don't see any that are gonna match up. I'll just use the Samsung ones I've used many times, but you just modify them. That's what looks like we're gonna have to do because none of these will work. What kind of stuff is that? So I got these. I have a big roll of these. But we'll have to use this one because this is the same direction. Just had to modify those legs. See if I can peel this apart. Yeah, we'll have to modify this one. Grab a bar, a little melt. That's Flux. Hard to mess around with this. Look at all the little melt's still there, melting. Come on. Let's get that in the back here. And then the joint's pretty good. Technically, we should be able to just heat this whole thing up. Iron. What I'll do is I'll come in with the tweezers. And then I'll hit the back of the pin. Should be able to just lift it out. Come on. Not that hard. Can't get a good grip on them with the tweezers. There we go. Alright, we got the port out without damaging it. Yeah, that stuff is still just liquid. After that, all that time. Good low melt solder, that's for sure. Grab some wick. Melt up. Which the low melt can be pretty messy. gonna grab some hemostats. We're gonna have to modify this port. Of course, always paramedics when you're doing a video. Don't they know I'm making a video? Question is, what did I do with that port that I just took out of there? There it is. Yeah, so obviously we're gonna just have to bend the legs out.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad, chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back, I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me, ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact, give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up.
A little bit of heat and a rapid clean. Figured that one wasn't in there. It's just hard to see. I'm not looking for the prettiest. The ground anyways, that's why it took a while. There, that's solid. pick. Yep, not moving. Okay, we're all soldered. Clean it up again. Okay, we'll take a look. You can see it's all the pins are soldered. We got our ghetto fabulous port on there, which is solid. It's not going to go nowhere. You know, just as good as having it in the ground holes. I mean, you have to do what you got to do, modify. I mean, look at all those other ports I went through, and none of them were even close. So the Samsung Galaxy 3 ports, they've always came in handy, especially when they're at the opposite direction insides of the ports. And then we can put it back together. See that ports, the HDMI ports kind of flexed out a little bit. So somebody was rough on these. Alright, so we got this all cleaned up. Now we just need to assemble it and see if I get something on the screen. I must have got solder inside the port, did I? No, it's just a tight fit. Yeah, it goes right in there. Yeah, I'm gonna have to assemble it because it has a switch on it, unfortunately. The power switch. So we'll put this heat sink back on here. Put our screws in. Where's the right bit that I was using? Here it is. Yeah, it has the power switch on there, so we're gonna have to put it back together. Might as well believe it's gonna work, so. Yeah, if anybody's ordered these exact ports, the real port for this, leave a comment below. Okay, we got all our screws in there. Plug this in. Plug that in. So this is the fun part, getting this in. Alright, we got it together. Plug this in. Got light here in the front. We got power. We got power. And I got picture. So you can't, it's hard to see the light. See if I can turn that off. You can see it glowing. So we got a working system, and I got picture. Super Mario Kart, Super Mario World. So yeah, this is fixed. So yeah, that's basically modifying the USB port. I used the Samsung Galaxy port. So all these other ones are opposite direction. So there's no way I could even use to modify one of these. Yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. If you guys get a chance, give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you guys haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button if you guys want to see more videos like this. As always, thanks for watching.